Alright, Two Wheels Paradise. This is Meshach as usual, and today we are doing some reviews on this giant, the Vogue 900 Dsx. Basically this is a BMW 900 in another name. And in this video I just want to do something very simple, something I did with the Vogue 525. If you have not watched that video, I'm going to hit that link in the description for you to watch. This is the 900 version of Vogue, the BMW 900 basically, because the frame, the engine, everything, like 95% of this bike is BMW. So I want to show you how fast this bike can accelerate from 0 to 120. I'm not even testing the top speed. I usually don't do that in my videos. I don't. For some reason, I don't encourage people to go testing top speeds, because top speeds are dangerous speeds. Whether it is 100, whether it is 200, top speeds are dangerous speeds. That is the point where your engine is giving maximum, your brakes are giving minimum, your handling is minimum. It is a dangerous stuff to try. So in this video, I want us to see how fast this bike can accelerate from 0 to 120, and then also see how fast this bike can brake. It is coming stock with Brembo brakes. As you can see, we have Brembo brakes. These are very, very premium brakes. These are the brakes you find in sport cars, super bikes. Brembo. If you see something with Brembo, just know it is premium. And also it has ABS, traction control, all that nice stuff that you find in modern motorcycles. We have it here. So I want us to see how fast this bike can accelerate from 0 to 120. 120, somewhere around there. We just look at how many seconds it is going to take before we get there. Let's do this. Yeah, we are in Naivasha sub-county. This is Longonot area. That's Mount Longonot over there. It looks very small in the video, but it's a very huge mountain. I believe this is the best place to try that, because the road is not so busy, although right now we have some vehicles. I'm gonna let all these vehicles pass, and then I can try that. From here you see, I'm using the road mode. I don't know whether you can see that. The road mode, the traction control is there, of course the ABS, and this bike is pretty new. Just 230 kilometers on the dashboard. It has very nice stuff on the dashboard: the trip, the odometer mileage, the RPMs, the speed, temperatures, the fuel gauge, the PSI for the tire pressure, check engine lights, and environmental temperature. It has a lot of stuff. So from here, I just want to see how fast this bike can accelerate from 0 to 120. I'm buying time because there are some vehicles over there. I want them to get in line. Let's hear the engine. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Let's go. happen to see that. Let's try it again. Take two. Take two. I have demonstrated something. What you are getting here basically is a sport bike in an adventure body. You can accelerate from gear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even gear 5 you can accelerate from 50 kilometers an hour and you still achieve very high speeds in very few seconds. This bike is a sport bike. And this is how the modern day BMW bikes behave. The modern day adventure bikes are behaving like this. They are no longer the giant lazy bikes that people used to take around, toss around and travel all over the world slowly. The modern day adventure bikes are sport bikes. Very serious performance. You can see how fast this bike accelerates from 0 to 120, from 40 to 120, from 30 to 120. You can see how fast this bike is accelerating. This is a sport bike. Technically a sport bike in an adventure body. And it has torque from gear 1 to gear 6. You can feel the torque all the way to gear 6. All the way. Gear 1, 2, 3, 4, they feel almost the same. This is how the modern day adventure bikes are looking like. So this is Voge Dsx 900. This is a motorcycle I'm starting to love. I have only spent a few days with it, but this is a bike I'm starting to love. This thing is a giant and it behaves like a giant. The BMW 900, this is what you get if you buy it. But BMW 900 has some extra horsepower, like 5 of them above this one. So this one is detuned a little bit lower to around 95. BMW 900 will give you around 100 to 103 somewhere around. So we have like a difference of like 7 horsepower. But these are beasts. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching.